everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama and I need your help. First, I'd like to pause and say if you like the content that I put out and you're in the market for a new manufactured home, or maybe you just enjoy to see different floor plans, I put out a few new videos every week. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. I'm the general manager here at Champion Homes right across the street. Your home will be built. And we are located here in Topeka, Indiana. As you can see, I have access to lots and lots of homes. Another thing I'd like to talk about is I am in the middle of redesigning the lot here. I've got a couple new ones that I'm going to be showcasing in the next few videos, but we're having a party. We're having an open house September the 19th. Please give me a call. I'll book you a hotel at a very nice place, and we're going to have some great deals going on. Now, without hesitation, let's jump into the Hessville. I need some help here, guys. This is a lot model, and it's time for this model to go. I've got a new one that's ready to come in and get in its place, and I am taking offers to get this baby to you at your property or in your favorite community. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, the largest single-wide floor plan that we make, a 16 by 76. It's part of our Prime Home series, and it has a 2x6 standard wall with a 200 amp electrical service. We've got a good discount on this baby. If you drop me a DM or send me a message or call or text, I'm happy to share the details with you. No reasonable offer will be refused, so let's get together and get this baby off the lot for me. I need some help. We've got white on the cabinets. We've got a dark springs color, or black with some beautiful pattern in it on the countertops. Black appliances. We've added a microwave over the range and a dishwasher right here with some black knobs, and we've got plenty of storage space here in the pantry. This is a front-loaded home, so you're going to see the living room on the front side of the home, and then all the bedrooms will be towards the rear of the home. Let's go check those out. First up, bedroom number 2. The bedrooms in this Hessville in the Prime Home are very spacious and ready for you and your family to live in. Here's bath number 2. In bath number 2, you're going to have a standard tub shower combination with a single vanity. Hi, everybody. I hope to see you guys at this open house. This is going to be a big deal. Here's bedroom number 3. The hotels are booking up fast. We've got lots and lots of people. There's going to be some lenders here and also some builders, some construction guys that help you with your project. Here's the utility room, washer, dryer, electrical panel box, water heater, and your furnace right there. And then here comes your primary bedroom. And in the primary bedroom, in this house in particular, we're going to have a Prime Plus package that has lots of good stuff in it. We are also going to include a screen door that's going to be available for this home. And then you've got your walk-in closet right here in your bathroom area, a very large extended vanity with a large cabinet, and a 2-seater walk-in shower. Those are a thing of the past. We don't really do those anymore, but a lot of people still enjoy them. Hi. And we are excited to bring the new ones in, but the Hessville has been a very good home for us. So please give me a call, 260-383-1009, if you're interested in catching a great deal on this baby. And don't forget, if you like my videos, to please like and subscribe. I love getting out here and doing these videos so I can help educate you guys in everything that has to do with a manufactured home. All right, my name's Christina. I'm also the Mobile Home Mama. And as always, I appreciate y'all. See you soon.